This played out pretty unusually in that we first learned about it in a post from the FBI director himself that was later deleted. Can you just give us some insight and help us understand how unusual it is or isn't for federal officials to do something like this, and what your view is of the role that the FBI played in what we know happened here?
Well, sure, Casey. And this is an absolutely bizarre situation on many levels, not the least of which has been the Department of Justice's crowing about this arrest in light of it, in the aftermath of its exposure today. A department that used to pride itself on letting the legal filings speak for themselves and not actively getting out on the media and essentially convicting someone in the court of public opinion. But nevertheless, the FBI's involvement here is also somewhat odd, and I think it's a reflection of the fact that the Bureau has been dragged into immigration and enforcement by this administration in a way that it has never seen, and in fact has avoided in administrations past. The FBI received authority to conduct immigration enforcement not long after September 11th. But there was a deliberate decision by FBI leadership not to authorize agents to actually use that authority, and instead officially deferred all immigration matters to DHS. FBI agents aren't trained on immigration law. They aren't used to executing arrests without federal court warrants, things like that. So it's something that is beyond their purview. Today, you see them doing it routinely and ending up in situations like this. And I should also add that by spending their time enforcing immigration laws, there's a lot of other things, FBI things, that agents are not doing because they've been drawn away from those priorities.